In this video, we're going to learn how to render HTML pages using Flask. So far, we've just been returning plain text when someone visited our site, which is fine for getting started, but let's take it one step further. Instead of sending back simple text, we're now going to show actual HTML files in the browser. This is a big step toward building real websites. First, we need to import render template. From now on, instead of returning plain text, we'll return the render template function and pass it an HTML file. But for this to work, Flask needs to know where to find those files, so we'll create a folder called templates and put our HTML files inside it. That's where Flask looks by default. I'll start with a simple index.html file and just add a basic header inside. Once we run the app and visit the page, you'll see the HTML file is being rendered. I'm starting the Flask app. This is our web address, same as we saw in the last video. Nice and clean in the browser. We can also do the same thing for other pages. Just like before, I'll create a new route for a welcome page, and this time I'll create a welcome.html file. I'm updating the route name and the function name to match the page we want. Then I'll use render template to return the welcome.html file. Of course, I need to create that file first, so I'm adding a new welcome.html inside the templates directory. Again, I'm keeping it simple with just a header so we can focus on how everything works. Now let's send a request to the new route we just created. When I do that, the welcome.html page is rendered. And that's it. We've now learned how to show full HTML pages using Flask. In the next video, we'll keep building on this. See you there.